PLV, building my dream bed.
A few things that I use for this project is my cardboard box from my new TV for my living room. I used a ruler, I used markers, I used a staple gun, some staples, a drill, Gorilla adhesive spray, and a mattress topper. So quickly, you want to make sure that you have the measurements or the dimensions of your panels correct, because that will make or break this project. After doing so, you want to cut out each cardboard box and tape it together. I used both sides of the box for the TV, so my headboard had extra weight on it. As you can see, I am placing my body weight on the cardboard because after spraying the Gorilla adhesive spray, I want to make sure that it is stuck to that mattress topper, which is fine if it's not completely stuck because we're going to go ahead and staple it anyway. But when it's time to cut out the fabric, you want to make sure that you add, I want to say 3.5 to 4 inches extra of fabric around the perimeter of the panel, because you want to make sure that you have enough fabric to pull behind the board to staple it. And when you're stapling, make sure you add as many staples as possible, because this also will make or break your headboard. As long as you pull it as snug as possible and you put as many staples in, when I tell you that you are good to go, you will have no concerns at all. Just take your time with this project. Do not rush it, because if you rush it, you will be able to definitely see that you rush it. Once you take your time and enjoy the process, I promise you it will come out better than you could have possibly imagined. So for this part of the bed, I like to call this the base of the bed, I ordered 3 Calyx IKEA shelves, and I want to say I maybe paid around $150 something or $170 something. Honestly, I don't remember. Don't get me to lying, because I honestly ordered these shelves last year, March 2024, and I've just been sitting on it, procrastinating, telling myself I'm gonna get to it, and 1 week turned into a month turned into a few months, and a few months turned into a year. So I said, you know what, I am not gonna be acting like this for 2025. No procrastinating, no putting things behind. I need to get this shit done ASAP. This is disgusting, and there's no reason why I've had these items just sitting in my home the entire time, not doing anything with it. And when I tell y'all, I am so happy that I finally got to it, because this project didn't even take me long. I want to say to put all 3 shelves together, it probably was like an hour and a half. Nonetheless, it was totally worth it. And for some people, if you have a problem with putting pieces together, it did come with a manual. And when I tell you that, the manual is not hard to understand, it's not hard to read, it's self-explanatory. And as long as you follow it step by step, you will be good to go. I like to take out all the tools, everything that they sent me. I take them out, I put them all together in one spot, so that when I am going through the manual page by page, everything is already set up. All I have to do is put the screws inside the specific holes directed to do, and that's it. It makes my life so much easier, and I know that's one of the reasons why I was able to complete this project in under an hour and a half. So y'all, if you've been thinking about cost-effective beds, if you've been thinking about something that makes sense for your room, if you've been thinking about getting storage, I would suggest you looking into this bed hack, the Calyx IKEA bed hack, because this honestly worked out in my favor, and I'm just so happy I finally got around to it. So I'm just gonna hush up and finish allowing y'all to see me put this bed together.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up.
After assembling the shelves to create the bottom base for my bed, I went ahead and I added, I want to say maybe about 4 to 5 pieces of wood. I got these pieces from Home Depot, I believe it is, and I don't remember how what's the dimensions of the wood, what length I got it cut to, but this stuff is stuff that you can always find out when you're about to do it for yourself. You can go ahead and do your measurements. And to lay the woods flat, I went ahead and ordered some Gorilla Adhesive double-sided tape, and I put it on each sides of the wood, and then I went ahead and flipped it and pressed it down into the bed. And also, when you throw your mattress on, that will keep it in place. And when I tell y'all, this has lasted, I've had my bed set up for, I want to say, 3 months now. And yes, it's not going anywhere. It is sturdy, it is in place, and I am just so happy that I took the time to not only build my headboard but also build this bottom base, because it allows me to have storage, it allows me to just be comfortable on my bed, it allows me to have something sturdy. I don't have to worry about my bed ever moving.
Brings me that 30 hertz straight up. Brings me that